I don't know, this is epic for me.
Yeah, thank you Sachin sir, thank you Jigar for coming here. To my kingdom. Yes, this is my kingdom. I live here and all these years, 30 years, the people there, people to show up and I shifted from Bombay to here because mostly I make films now. I'm into acting and directing and doing music, singing and so forth. So it's a lovely evening with you all, and I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the crowd. Very musical crowd we have in all of the Northeast. They love music, they love good music, and they always applause. And then I'm Sachin Yoga.
But can I let him go without saying, Jane kya chahe
Well, I will sing that like almost 1 or 2 years. But I'll sing one line for you. Jane kya chahe man, अखियन मेरे सागर चला अखियन मेरे सागर चला feeling blue my heart just can't be true oh can't be true my heart just can't be true. Can't be. Love you. Thank you. I gotta watch you today, not sing. I'm tired of singing.
It's truly
It's like 30,000 songs in my whole life. That's what we call it. More than 38.
So we have Zubli Ba, and can I let her go without... Didi, actually it will be an honor if you can sing 2 lines of Saibo with us.
But, of course, please, let's do Saibo together. But before anything else, I want to say, Zubeen, we love you. Zubeen, we love you.
Alright, let's do this.
Thank you so much. It is actually an absolute honor. I don't know. My mic is not hearing.
Use my mic.
Can you increase my vocals a little bit?
Sachin के mic का vocal, please.
Vocals थोड़ा सा.
She's using my... Please raise her on the... please.
I cannot hear you. Maybe I can use Charu. Will that work? Charu?
Try this, try this. This is fun.
Hello, hello. Hello, I think this is louder.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Well, before I sing any song, it's an absolute honor to be with such legendary musicians here. And I'm the least experienced, I can say. So it is actually a moment to be cherished for a lifetime. I had the opportunity, the privilege of working with all of them. We had actually, with Sachin ji and Jigar ji, we had performed together at International Film Festival, Goa. And Charu has been a very good friend of mine since ages now. And also Divya, we had worked together and he's a brother to me. So it's a family here, it's a family meeting it seems. And to be singing your song, I have my mobile, I have to use the mobile because I have to see the lyrics. I hope that's okay, right?
No more disclaimers, please. No more disclaimers. Sage is... such a pleasure to have Zubeen Bhai. Now, thank you so much. Take us on stage. Thank you.
Carry on and love you always.
Guwahati, we have to say, all of us together, Zubeen and Zubli, we love you. We really love you.
Thank you so much. We are honored, and thank you to all the lovely, brilliant musicians. Thank you. Thank you, Krishna Da. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.